He's gone early onto the infield, he's gone through the water splash, he's gone through the mud, he's hit the ramp, and that's a 2.5 twist. That was flipping good, yeah? Yeah, there's money if he gets high enough to take the drone out as well. So here we go, he's through the water splash, he's across the mud, he's giving it some beans, he is over. I mean, that's pretty similar to Mr. Boland there. He made it a little bit further, and he's going for round 2, here we go. 5.35, Tommy Carr going to score his first one 9, because he got a little bit further than Wayne did. So sorry Wayne, I am hard to please, mate. Here we go, he's through the water splash. And that's the same again. And he is mad enough to go for a third. So he's going nice and slow, he's onto the infield, he's through the water splash. And that's a 1 3/4 with a half twist. 8 out of 10, so anyone for 1 2 2, Wayne Boland? That is definitely...
I'm building it for ladies.